I'm so proud today to do a walkthrough of Xena's portal. This is actually the third version of Xena's dashboard that has been rolled out to our customers. We have taken feedback from them. We have gone in depth to understand what really matters to them. And we have basically built out this dashboard on three core design principles. One, it needs to be easy to use. Second, the whole system, the whole dashboard needs to be really intuitive with very little learning curve. And three, it should be beautiful to look at. It should be something that the customers would want to come again and again and kind of really internalize what it represents. The Xena's dashboard, as you may already know, represents it's an interface that connects the customer to their Amazon account and soon to Walmart and Shopify as well. Here in the dashboard, they'll be able to see the key matrices of their company. And if they have any doubts on what any of these mean, they'll be able to easily see what it means. And within the first 5 seconds, they will be able to understand what's happening. And that's kind of like the goal to it. Obviously, there are many dashboards and Power BI tools available to show these matrices, but I think one mark that we want to differentiate ourselves with is the intuitive piece and the ease of use piece, while at the same time being equally, if not more powerful than the others. So once a customer comes to the dashboard, they'll be able to see the key matrices. They'll be able to change the time. They'll also be able to download their weekly reports in case they don't want to look at the data every single day. And two key pieces of very important information that they get from the dashboard that they wouldn't get anywhere else is on the left, you'll see the Xena AI piece. So here it shows the exact optimizations that Xena does to its account on a real-time basis. So every time they come, they'll be able to see exactly what changes have been made automatically by the system using our proprietary algorithm and AI. One feedback that we received on this section is that it needs to be simpler and more succinct. So we are working towards making that better in the next version as well. Then you'll be able to see Xena insights. So these are not just simple insights, but these are like actionable insights. So currently, they can go through each of these insights, make changes if needed, and soon they'll be able to make the change directly by just clicking on these insights. So examples of these include certain products are not doing well, so maybe we should advertise more. Certain campaigns are not performing, so maybe we should just cut down the budget for it. So as we evolve, as we collect more data, as we integrate things like GPT into our portal, I think these insights will be more useful, more powerful, and more actionable, and pretty unique to Xena and makes Xena a really, really useful and sticky tool for our customers. Then they'll be able to see the top selling products. And we are also thinking, like I said earlier, of integrating GPT. So one aspect could be a kind of a personal assistant or a portal where the customers can ask Xena questions, which may not, the data of which may not be easily available. So for example, it could be, what's my sales for the last 7 days? So here Xena is able to tell. And these are simple questions. It can vary from these simple questions all the way to complex questions like what product should I launch next? Or what product should I focus more on? Or how much will I sell of a particular SKU in the coming months? So these are very important questions that traditionally are answered by experts, analysts after spending a lot of time in the data. But since we already have the data and Xena has the capability to do it, we'll be able to launching this as well, which I think will be super useful. They'll also be able to see additional information like all the campaigns that are running, the information on different product-wise data. So everything that is will give a quick glance of what is happening. Another thing that we're working on is inventory management. So one of the biggest challenges for e-commerce brands is forecasting or understanding how much inventory needs to be kept in stock and sent to Amazon. And so we are building out a more robust tool based on all the data that we collect to accurately tell our customers exactly how much inventory to send or keep in stock. We are also working on additional details like report downloads, targets, sales forecasting, market intelligence. So these will be rolled out in the coming weeks, and kind of we want to keep adding features that we think the customers would find useful and based on the feedback that we get from them. But overall, this is what Xena represents. And obviously, we'll keep evolving with time. We will keep improving on it. We will work on functionalities that have never been before seen, just like a couple that I just described here. But this is Xena's walkthrough, and I couldn't be prouder of my team for pulling this together and constantly working to improving this every single day.